Hi, and welcome to VivifyScrum Quick Tips. In this video, we'll show you how to track time directly in VivifyScrum without any additional tools, plugins, or extensions. First, head over to the Configure Board page and onto the Settings tab. This tab contains a handful of useful settings for your board, but we'll be covering those in our upcoming videos. For now, let's focus on the Visibility of Item Card Controls section. The maximum number of controls on an item card is 7. What you see here is the default setting. So let's turn off, for example, priority and create a free slot for the Worklog tracker. Now we're going to see what it looks like on an item card. Mark over here is starting to work on this item, and he'll be using the time tracker by simply clicking on the start button and ending his time tracking session whenever he's done. Now let's fast forward. Once his work is done, VivifyScrum will automatically create a work log. And that's it. Time tracking at its simplest. No additional extensions in your browser, no additional accounts for time tracking tools, just VivifyScrum. We'll be tracking the time until our next video. Will you?